Okay, guys, we're back. I just got off the phone with my flipping sister. And yes, this is what she did. Yes, I know there's a tornado warning and they're in the basement right now. And there it is. There is also a tornado warning effective until 6:30 p.m. for... Oh, it's Boone and McHenry. It's in a part of McHenry... Oh, something's coming on. Oh, here we go. It's the update. It's the update for First Alert Weather. This is what I've been waiting for. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn up the news. This is us. Be quiet, please. Hold on, guys.
Boone County and northwestern McHenry County. That's going to go until 6:30 here this evening. We will stay on the air as long as needed until the tornado threat has passed. This replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect in northwestern Boone County. We are particularly concerned right now with the Route 76.
It's in Poplar Grove. There's the Belvedere, yep.
There have been some signs recently of some tightening rotation with the storm.
He's like, yep, we're under tornado. I mean, Madison was.
We do see a little bit of a notch here, right along the...
And there's the rotation right there. That's the rotation. That's flipping rotation. Oh, Madison, I pray for you, you don't die. Same with you, Mom. Same, 100% same with you. Or 1,000,000% same with you. Yeah, that's us. We're not in the warning, though, so we're fine. We're not in the flipping warning. We're fine. But I'm still scared for Mom and Madison.
Near the intersection
You're
of
fine, man.
176 and Route 173.
That's, yeah, right on top Poplar Grove. I mean, we're down there. We're not even close to it. That tornado warning's like 20 minutes away from us. That's where my mom is.
There have been no confirmed sightings of tornadoes. There has not been a confirmed tornado.
It's gone!
No law enforcement report. No
Yeah?
report, but we do have Ethan.
The 23 guy is on. Quiet. He's talking about the tornado warning where my mom is.
Service as well as our social media pages and our Facebook Live that is ongoing right now.
Oh my God, it's a flipping tornado.
That may seem to indicate any funnel clouds, and he will chime in.
We're still under the severe thunderstorm warning, but it's not for us. But there's nothing else out there. Yeah.
The severe thunderstorm stopped.
No, it's still on his radar, but that's nothing. It's gone. They have to take it off yet. A tornado warning is new though. Look, you see it right on my face because I have the thing up close to us.
And that circulation,
Poplar Grove. I think that's. Oh no, he's in Loves Park. My Uncle Derek is in Loves Park. That's not too far away from him though. He might be in like a part of the tornado warning, but I have no clue. He might be in a little pick of it.
Hello, Derek.
Where's
Derek's
McKinney?
really funny because he always does this to us.
It would be brief and likely very, very weak. There were tornadoes reported in the western suburbs of Chicago near Oak Brook earlier on. Very similar situation.
The solution just got issued like 10 minutes ago.
Did they say that? No.
You have to be quiet when I'm listening. This is where my freaking mom lives. No, it's radar indicated.
Assuming we continue with a movement that's to the northeast,
This is the part I want to hear.
population in this portion of Boone County, so this is more of a
When I'm
rural
listening, you
stretch.
can't
I think,
talk.
the worst concerns for populated areas like Poplar Grove quickly going to be moving behind us. One particular location that we'll need to watch out for, though, this is going to be very close to Edwards Apple Orchard here.
Hey, that's where I went a year ago from one of my first field trips.
That is one particular
The apple orchard.
from this particular rotary thunderstorm. Now, in addition, we do have gusty winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Likely for this entire warning.
I have to listen to make sure there's no confirmed anything yet, or even observed, which is worse. And I have to call Madison and tell her they're under confirmed. If this becomes confirmed, I have to call her again, and tell her it's now confirmed and observed as well. Right now, it's radar indicated, which is fine.
So this is from that same cell we've been talking about all
Can you stop with that thing? I'm gonna turn this up a little bit more because you're a little bit noisy.
The storms here, we're getting reports of downed power lines and perhaps some trees in that area. That's officially from the police department.
Interesting.
And we're going to be sending our reporter Anthony to go take some footage.
Can you
of that
stop?
here. But nonetheless, though, there's probably several areas that are just like that.
Yeah.
You do have
Mason, I can't hear.
Send them our way.
And this is. I'm still recording. So, oh crap.
Really, what went down?
Yeah, and in addition to what we're talking about with the wind damage, potentially
Mason, the car.
Tremendously heavy rain with this, so flash flooding is likely occurring. We've had several reports of standing water on roadways. If you encounter standing water, turn around. Don't risk trying to drive through that. Ethan, we told the folks on the air here and on our Facebook Live chat that you're.
Oh, well, look it. The watch is actually out, and this is us. We're still in it, not for long. Okay, it's out.
Yeah, we're right now.
Joe Davis, Stevenson, Whiteside, and Carroll is out of the watch now. We're almost done with this watch. We're probably done, but we probably... Every time there's a tornado, they always get the tornadoes, and we don't. We just get the thunderstorms. They get the flipping tornadoes. My sister's in a flipping tornado, and it's bad. I don't know.
Reports of any tornado touchdowns. We haven't seen any reports through the National Weather Service. But Ethan's heading back into our digital desk. He's going to keep a close eye. Ethan, please chime in if you do get any reports or pictures here moving forward. Do not hesitate to come in. And chime in with that. Again, just to refresh, the tornado warning officially goes until 6:30 for northern Boone County and also for extreme northwestern portions of McHenry County, including Chemung and
Chemung's at the end. They're in trouble. Chemung is in trouble. They're gonna get their town destroyed probably. A tornado will probably touch down by then.
Downtown Harvard, but still. Folks in Harvard should still take shelter immediately. If you're anywhere within this polygon, this red polygon, this is where
take shelter. You always say that.
Even if you're not at risk for tornadoes, you are at risk for a very large hail and wind gusts in excess.
I mean, I have a secret YouTube channel, so maybe I will.
New from the National Weather Service.
No.
The tornado warning does continue. The hail threat has come down just a little bit earlier. We were talking about possibility of quarter-size hail. Now it looks more like nickel-size hail. Still, that's substantial hail. But signs that might...
I'll turn it off for you. I'm trying to listen. Thanks. You already tried.
Let's see here. Their latest data has just northeast of Poplar Grove here, moving northeast at about 30 miles per hour. So that's going to place it into northern McHenry County here rather shortly. Again, we're talking about this portion of the storm just northeast of downtown Poplar Grove. Northeast movement here at about 30.
I thought that was again,
this will generally stay over rural portions of the county. Eventually, we're going to be walking out to southeastern Rock County and also into
I'm trying to avert a flipping needle.
Good news for Winnebago County.
Hey, good news for us. Listen, good news.
The severe thunderstorm warning will come to an end.
In several seconds.
The sun!
Yes! He just said several seconds, the severe thunderstorm in 30 seconds, the severe Quiet! Alright, you're crazy. Mason's crazy. 30 seconds, the severe thunderstorm warning is gone, but
we have yet to receive any confirmation.
Yes, it's gonna be gone in 30 seconds. And my mom is under a tornado warning. Mom and Madison are under a tornado warning. Look, there's a tornado warning where Mom and Madison is. See, Nana? There's a tornado warning where Mom and Madison is.
Oh my God!
There's one where Mom and Madison is. Mom and Madison. And there's the sun, guys. I have to let you know there is the flipping sun.
Don't blind them.
Shut that!
Yeah,
Cody!
Yeah, there's nothing else.
Jesus.
The sun made it back out.
We gotta change diaper.
You
going back down? We gotta change diaper. Whoa!
I gotta listen to this.
Coming in, just looked at the
We gotta
comment
change
map.
food.
Could you be quiet?
Comments from our Facebook
Big
post.
mess.
This is where my mom and Madison is.
Come on, hurry.
11th Street is out of power.
Dylan,
Estimated restoration time for that about 2
Come on,
hours.
Beg.
hurry.
Dylan has to come up here, beg, and ruin my ears.
Getting reports of some
Dylan, get over here and
Northern
sneeze.
Belvedere
Hurry.
in Caledonia.
Oh, let me put my
Come
arm.
on, you
Just
wanna go
going
back
through
down?
Facebook comments here, and we're going to be keeping an eye on that. But if you do have a power outage, they're already starting to
Get up there.
do all the repairs, especially here in Rockford, where the precipitation's
chair.
almost done. And
Hey,
in
the severe
fact,
thunderstorm watch expired for us. Yahoo! But still, for Mom and Madison, they're still under that tornado warning. Where my sister is. Mom and Madison.
For Carroll County, Joe Davis County, Stevenson, and Whiteside County. A sign that the severe threat is going to come to an end here very, very shortly. But
He changed his diaper?
Not yet.
serious situation on our hands right now. New tornado warning has been extended
I changed the diaper.
into Walworth.
Of course he's gonna cry. Figures he cries.
Easternmost portions of Rock County. So let's read this warning from the National Weather Service. At 6 o'clock, the
Dylan.
National Weather Service, again, this is the forecast
JJ.
office in Milwaukee. And again, let's zoom into the
Dylan's
storm
being
that we're
annoying.
talking
Yeah,
about.
in here.
We are talking
Come on.
about this.
I gotta get the poop off. Get in the bed.
Here,
Hurry.
just about to cross the
Come on.
Illinois-Wisconsin border in extreme
Come on.
Hey,
northeastern
our antenna is up again.
All right, you wanna lay in the
The
blanket?
There's our
rotational
antenna.
signature appears to be weakening a
Get
bit
the
in
blanket.
Boone County.
Oh wow, that's great news for Madison. Their rotation is weakening. That's very good. Very good.
And let's cross our fingers.
Very
No,
good.
not there.
Occurs
Very
also in
good.
McHenry
Come on,
County as well.
Dylan.
But, southeastern Rock County and also
Mom.
southwesternmost portions of Walworth County. And this does include the Lake Geneva.
Can't even do that anymore.
Okay, you're not going
Location
down.
of the storm as indicated by the National
Nope.
Weather Service. is
Wait.
Just to the southwest
change
of
diaper.
Sharon, Wisconsin, which essentially straddles the
Lay on
Illinois-Wisconsin
the blanket.
state line.
No.
On the Rock and Walworth
No.
County border.
Get over here and change
The
diaper.
movement is going to the northeast,
Hurry.
starting to pick up speed here.
Hurry.
Moving northeast at about 55
Picking up
miles.
speed for
We
Wisconsin.
have to widen the view here
Get
considerably
over
so we can
here.
draw a full
You
track
cannot wear
on this.
poop.
The track again is
Come
to
on.
the northeast.
This is my sister under this warning, Madison and Mom. It's radar indicator. And the severe thunderstorm watch is finally, or the severe thunderstorm warning is finally
That's
gone
in
for us.
Beloit.
No, down here.
A little bit more so we
Both
can
of
get
you.
a better. This should do it. Let's
Come
go
on,
back
Dylan.
on the storm.
Dylan, go get your diaper changed already so I stop annoying me.
Southern
Do you
and
wanna
south
go
central
down, or
Wisconsin.
you gonna
So
stay
we're
up?
talking about towns like Delavan and Elkhorn, sometime in
Okay.
the 6:15 to 6:25 range.
You wanna wear
I
your
would
poop?
suspect that Lake Geneva would be somewhere
Want
in
me
that
to tell Pop?
6:25 range before
I'll tell Pop.
eventually works
Get
its
over
way
here.
to
Hurry.
Orlando
Get
and
on
rest
the
of
blanket.
suburbs of Milwaukee. Our immediate
Now.
concerns, though, are for Boone and McHenry County
Okay,
as
no
the,
more
as
party.
the
No more.
tornado warning does
No.
continue there officially until 6:30. It's not going to last
No,
that
you gotta
long.
change
I can
Hands are hot.
essentially guarantee you that it will be allowed to expire.
Up here, Uncle
before
D's
that,
downstairs waiting. Get over here and change your poop.
Tornado warning does continue with
Come
the storm
on.
continuing to exhibit some rotational characteristics. Now, as I pull up the
No,
velocity
you don't.
Here's the
data on
velocity.
the
Velocity.
radar,
Stop.
it's not,
Dylan, come on.
quite as impressive, I must say, as it did just moments ago. The rotation
Oh,
it's still
I don't
there. Just does not appear to be
Get
nearly
over
as
here.
tight
Uncle
as it
D's
was.
waiting.
Not a lot.
Dylan.
Circulation still north of
Not a lot of rotation.
You wanna go
No.
is mirroring our thoughts exactly.
That's good.
You.
It's broader
Get
than
over
before.
here.
They strongly suspect
Come on.
that the storm is
Uncle
packing
D's
severe
waiting.
winds, not so much
Are you gonna
tornadoes
down
at
play
this
with
point in
Uncle
time. So
D?
that's good news. Now,
You wanna
with
play?
that said, they're going to probably let this warning ride due to the fact that the severe
Get over
thunderstorm
here
warning
right now.
expired at 6. I can't see them canceling
Come on.
one warning.
I'm gonna
and
go down.
issuing a severe
Oh.
I'm going down, Dylan. I'm going down.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm guessing that they're going to let this warning ride until the
I gotta change your
northeastward into,
Oh, of course, a beggar. Beggar 06 is back.
Again, the circulation in Boone County north of Poplar Grove. Let's take a look at the velocity data.
Dylan, it stinks.
It's crazy.
I guess there is a little pocket here.
Dylan!
I can't even listen.
And again, moving to the northeast here at about 40 miles per
Change.
hour. So still something
Change
that we'll
diaper.
need to watch closely for folks.
You wanna go down
in
and help with
Capron,
there?
just north of
Change
Poplar
your
Grove,
diaper.
Edwards, Apple Orchard.
Change your diaper, hurry.
That area.
Apple Orchard?
I don't believe
Alright,
that there are
let's change
people
diaper.
there
The
right
apple
now.
orchard. There's a tornado warning where my mom is right now. Mom and Madison are at.
Then we'll go
Where they're
downstairs.
open for business.
Change your diaper.
That's
Okay.
certainly good news.
A
Just to reiterate,
tornado.
Broadway and 9th
We're gonna go down.
This was just issued like 25 minutes ago.
But you gotta change poop.
Broadway and 9th closed in all directions due to damage.
You gotta
from
throw it
the weather.
outside.
They, Rockland Police encourage you to avoid the area. Now,
Where's the
earlier, it looks
diaper?
as
Avoid
though
the
that
area.
There was some rotation. There are some signs that there might have been at least, I don't know, what you would say, hints of some development of a wall cloud and perhaps a funnel.
A wall cloud?
That's the storm that we're
A wall cloud? Seriously?
Poplar Grove right now.
We actually just got a picture from Maxwell Brooks.
Oh my God, we got a picture, guys. We got a picture. Hold on.
There's
a picture.
I'm gonna use it in the
Hold on.
forecast.
When it comes up, I'll show you.
6:30 show in about 25 minutes. Really, you can see here, Mark, as you look at it. Wish I could show it to you here. Rockford Metro Weather is the page. You'll see it there and again on our page shortly. Definitely
Show the picture.
Downpours and a very short-lived
Show the
wall
pictures,
cloud there
Steven,
too.
else I'm gonna
And
punch
that's
you.
what probably many people are seeing right around the Poplar Grove area.
Dude, look at the bow echo in that. I just realized that's a flipping bow. That's a bow.
Widespread. It's weakening
bow.
that cell for sure.
It's a tweet.
Yeah,
There's,
and-
no,
and
that's
this
a bow
storm,
echo.
The National Weather Service
Turn it
first
into a
clued us in on the possibility that this storm could briefly become tornadic as it approached the Cherry Valley area. And
No,
the-
they're
the-
dirty
the
from
tornado
outside.
Didn't come
Got dirt.
too late thereafter. So not necessarily a surprise that a tornado warning was
Dylan,
indeed,
stop.
Oh, my ass
issued.
order.
Again, they're speculating that the tornado threat might not be necessarily as great as it
I'm
was.
listening though. You can go down if you like. I'm staying up. See you, man.
Usually you like to see the circulation
It's
Alright.
over,
tighter.
I'm watching it.
It's over.
I'm fine. I'm watching it.
Do you wanna go down?
You're not as likely to stay.
Now stop it.
You need to
Eric can watch it from here now that Mason's gone and you can be quiet.
for that to occur.
That's good.
Get over here.
Let's see here.
Now.
And there you go.
Shelvin Lake, according to
He drink beers. He drunk because like he's crazy. Dylan's so crazy.
Delaware Lake, that would be in the southwestern portion of Walworth County. Have the best chance of seeing strong winds and/or tornadoes. And that again
Ooh.
is no surprise. So that would be folks.
That's Walworth, so that's sending me close to my mouth.
Up toward Darien, the village of Walworth, and then up toward Elkhorn, and then southwestern toward.
Put your hand out.
Lake Geneva, close call, but right now I think that Lake Geneva may be fortunate to see this pass just to the north and northwest. Again, until 6:30,
God.
the tornado warning continues for northern Boone County.
Listen.
Tornado watch continues until 8 o'clock area-wide, but I do think...
I've been recording 17 minutes. What a long time for sure.
County, Ogle County, Lee County, you will see the tornado watch allowed to expire a little bit earlier than that. It might take us just a little bit
Ogle and Lee County. Oof.
Boone and DeKalb County from that watch as well.
What about Winnebago? You dumbs.
In addition to the spin-up tornado threat in Walworth County, there's also a very likely an area of enhanced winds in excess of perhaps 70 miles per hour that are about to enter Walworth County as well.
Ooh, that's like a boat echo. Guys, come
The
look at it.
tornado warning for Boone County does continue until
Still continues.
6:30 this evening. That also includes
Should've
the
checked the
northwesternmost portions
Ooh.
of McHenry County. And that will continue.
I can't turn the
to be
camera.
something that we watch. I think the tornado threat for Boone County is going to come to an end here sooner than the 6:30 scheduled time of expiration. We are seeing more of a gusty wind threat now evolving into
Alright.
Boone County. We have just gotten a report.
We're still under a tornado watch though, and I check my notifications.
Dylan, wait.
I can still check my notifications on my phone because I just have to swipe my thing now because I'm recording with my phone.
That's good news. There. Power poles are down at Broadway at night.
Oh, my sister's not out of power because they're saying there's some power outages. Oh my God, almost 20 minutes of recording.
On
Going quick.
Stand up.
Very quick.
Encouraging folks to stay away. I think Broadway's
stand
either
up.
9th and also
You going
Broadway
down or
11th
up?
Street. We had reports of damage as well, and wouldn't be at all surprised if further east along Broadway there was some flooding, some standing water, especially in that viaduct that's just east. I want to say that's east of, or between 11th and 20th Street, if memory serves correctly. The National Weather Service.
Yes, I'm alone. I can listen to this.
In Walworth County,
There's no one to flipping annoy us now.
Clinton in extreme southern Rock County, kind of sitting right along I-43 between Beloit and
I really need to
Downey.
pee.
Clinton, Wisconsin.
There he is,
along
right
Route
there.
140 under a severe under a tornado threat. Within the next 5 minutes or so, I think Rock County will be cleared from that warning. Along or south of I-43 is where the main severe and tornado threat is in southeastern Rock County and southwestern portions of.
And yes, I record with this my new phone. I just got in my 3DS. My phone can do 60 FPS. So
Aside
hold
from
on.
downpour generating shower between McChesney Park and Roscoe,
And I don't have a 10-minute
really
recording.
think our severe weather threat is just about done. So I think we can go ahead and call the all clear for Rockford, even though the
Yes, we're all clear.
watch remains in effect officially. I think we're very close to being able to sound the all clear. And I think in about 5 or 10 minutes,
5 or
our
10
hope
minutes?
is that in Boone County we can do the same thing. Now, as far as the tornado threat goes,
this is literally up there. Though. We got extended the last time we last saw it.
Big chunk of Boone County.
I'm recording 21 minutes. That's
To
about.
narrow it down, I really think that it's the northeastern.
I'm recording 21 flipping minutes. That's
15%
a long
of the
flipping.
county that
Long.
still has the possibility of
I have to
some
end the
active
recording before I
activity.
take up my phone's storage.
With that
Just
said,
put it on
this
my
storm
phone
is
should be good.
affecting a solid chunk of real estate from the northern border of the county to the southern border of the county, and all of this entire
Today is April 30th, 2022.
Potential of producing some gusty winds.
You might have saw the last video, driving to Chicago too. That was the most recent video on this channel. I was made with my 3DS.
Weaken ever so slightly.
I might do the rest of these recordings with my phone. They're better, and I don't have a 10-minute where I can record as long as I want. So I don't have to end the recording and then make a brand new one. So I only have a 10-limit recording on my 3DS.
10, 15 minutes ago.
Get out of here, you stupid phone. Shut the
for updates. We get updated
Shut up.
information from
Silly
them
toy baby
every 3 or 4 minutes or thereabouts.
It is about done, guys.
Too much longer until we hear back from the National
That's
Weather
a
Service.
fat bow, though. That's a big
In
bow.
Winnebago
That's a
County,
big
again,
fat
we
bow.
have had reports of some rather widespread power outages, especially on the south.
Wow, there's power outages in our city.
Comment was reporting, what was it, 100
Thank God we didn't lose flipping power.
People, and I just read the map.
And my computer's still on. It would have been blown out probably. I still have my computer on. That's the computer I use to send my videos.
Broadway and 9th and 10th Streets. We also got a report that there may be some building damage down there too. We're going to be sending somebody.
And here's my computer. It's an HP PC.
Power lines and trees.
That's my epic. I got a cool computer.
Came
It's fast. It's a good computer.
Yeah, and they said building and power poles down at that Broadway and 9th.
A freaking building got destroyed? Holy cow! That's a lot of destruction to fix. Better not have been like there's a skyscraper. There's no skyscrapers on here. I mean, there's probably like a building probably way up there in the sky. It's probably as big as the tree out there I have. I can show you the tree that I'm kind of thinking about. Probably as big as that tree you see. I'll just open this. You see, I'm thinking of that tree right there. It is right here. That one.
A brief, weak tornado
Oh,
could spin up at any time.
a brief weak tornado.
The tornado
Look at that blue sky, guys. That's what I like. I mean, Mason's here like about 20 minutes ago, but he left about probably like 10 minutes ago. Probably was about 10, 15 minutes since he's been gone. But there's nothing else. I'm gonna end this recording. Bye, guys. Peace.